Best penny stocks to buy on April 24th, 2026, part 1. Number 1 recommendation is CNI Immunotherapeutics Limited, stock symbol SCNI. It is up today 82% or 37 cents, trading at 83 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 151 million shares. Market cap of the company is only $3 million. So this company is from pharmaceutical sector. And this is a typical story for a pharmaceutical penny stock. 6 months ago, it used to trade at $1.60. Then it collapsed all the way to like 30 cents. While it was collapsing, nobody was trading it. It was basically maybe on the way to be delisted or so. However, they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is one of the hottest stocks on the market. And, this type of companies usually release news if the medication that they've been working on is finally showing some positive results in clinical trials. Maybe they got extra financing, or simply an analyst could upgrade them and say, hey, I think they will, be close to profitability, or, predicts a new price target. So in any case, the news were accepted by the market very positively, and you could see it from 151 million shares being traded, which means a lot of new buyers are stepping in and acquiring those shares. So if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe pull the trigger. Right now at 82 cents, and if this thing goes back to its previous levels of $1.60, you could be looking at around 100% profit on this investment, or basically doubling your money. So take a look. Next one is AI Incorporated, stock symbol LIDR. It is up today 52% or $2.90, trading at $2.59. Since this morning, it already traded 82 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is $115 million. So this company is from a packaged software sector. And what can I tell you? I mean, these guys were trading at $2.70 6 months ago. Then they collapsed all the way to like $1. And they were just kind of bubbling around, but I actually reported on that stock back in March. On March 23rd, they had a huge spike when the stock went from $1.50 all the way to almost $3 on a huge trading volume. But the company couldn't sustain this high stock price, and it collapsed from $3 all the way back to $1.50. But right now, it's basically repeating that story, but on much larger trading volume, and the jump is also pretty impressive. I mean, right now it's 51% because the stock was jumping from like $1.80 to right now $2.50. But still, it looks like something serious is happening there. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what kind of news they released, and maybe buy them. But the problem is that if you're gonna buy $2.57, you'll be buying at a 6-month high almost, which is kind of risky, and you don't feel like you're getting a good discount. But if the news are very powerful, then it could be worth it. So take a look, especially for software software companies, because right now they're deploying AI and replacing the human programmers with AI coding robots that are faster, better, and could resolve a lot of bugs very quickly. So take a look. Next one is Cheetah Net Supply Chain Services, stock symbol CTNT. It is up today 51% or 1 cent, trading at 5 cents a share. Since this morning, oh my God, since this morning, this company already traded in the first 90 minutes, guess what? 1.6 billion shares. And the market cap of this company is only $2 million. So, and this is engineering and construction company. But if you just look at the trading volume for that stock that's just happening right now, I mean, this is a record trading volume probably for any stock that early. So obviously whatever news they released was accepted by the market with a huge amount of enthusiasm. And to generate this type of volume, I mean, you need to have like tens of thousands of new buyers coming in and, like, you know, buying those shares. So whatever the news they released, it was like, you know, pretty major. And plus, consider this, just 2 weeks ago the stock was trading at $1.60, and you could buy right now at 4 cents. Can you believe that? From $1.60 to 4 cents. So, but it could be a golden opportunity, because guess what? If you buy it at like 4 cents or like 5 cents right now, and it goes to, let's say, $1.60 or $2 where it used to trade back in March, basically a month ago, just imagine buying something for 5 cents and selling it for $2. I mean, I can't even, it's like 40 times of your investment. This is how much money you could make, or 4,000%. You know, maybe, you know, very quickly if the stock climbs back to its previous levels. So that's why obviously you see such huge trading volume, because everybody is basically playing a lottery here. And who knows, maybe they're right. Maybe whatever news they released are worth, you know, investing into that stock. So take a look. Next one is Enveric Biosciences, stock symbol ENVB. It is up today 48%, or $1.94, trading at $5.95. Since this morning, it already traded 33 million shares. Market cap of the company is $12 million. And this company is from pharmaceuticals sector. Well, obviously, if you look at the name, it says biosciences. And this company is actually kind of interesting. I mean, it is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock when it used to trade at, guess what? At the end of December, it was trading at $10 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like $2. So from $10 to $2. And then obviously, you know, it was just hovering around that $2 for the last, I would say, 3 months. But I would say about like a week ago, it started to have this major rise, and it was building a very bullish trend where, you know, guess what? In a matter of 2 weeks, it went from $2 to $6, or it basically went 300%. So, which basically tells you that whatever news they're releasing, I mean, this news are very powerful, and it looks like it would be, you know, making quite a bit of difference, I would say, probably in the next I don't know, few days. So I mean, the trend is too powerful, too bullish, and I would say that you shouldn't ignore it. Take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. I mean, even if you buy it at $6 and this thing goes back to, let's say, $10, I mean, you could still make like, what, 50-60% on that stock, which is, you know, pretty significant. And the other thing is that the trading volume of 33 million shares kind of tells you that it is something that you know, a lot of investors are looking at and actually putting their money into, because otherwise you wouldn't see this trading volume. So what can I tell you? I mean, you know, take a look, see, maybe it's worth it. Maybe the last one is GMAX Robotics Corporation, stock symbol GMEX. It is up today 33%, or 12 cents, trading at 49 cents a share. This is a recent IPO, just started to trade in March, and I mean, right now it released some kind of news, and it's you know, trading 76 million shares this morning. Market cap of the company is less than $1 million, like 900,000, and it's a specialty stores kind of you know, thing. So if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to my website 4pnn.com and download my app called Penny Gems that covers 5,000 penny stocks that I use for this video. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye now.